Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to use the quants point on the Jetstar. So let's get started. So first of all we have to follow some steps. Okay, so I will just open the quants frequent flyers, okay, like this website, jetstar.com dot slash au. So to use the point we have to follow some steps. Okay, so you can put your cons point towards the flights on the booking of the pay plus pay in the flights when you book through an Australian or New Zealand website. A minimum 3,500 points are required. Okay, then you can just redeem through when you will just check out. So you have the option to select your point, so we'll just select the point and you will be claim your point. So this is the way that you can just use the Jetstar points. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.